Hello and welcome to 365 Days of Excelling with Clive. This is day 56 and today we are looking at protecting your workbook. So the first thing we need to clarify is what exactly does it do? So it's important to note that Protect Workbook does not lock your workbook from being accessed by someone else who doesn't have the password. What it does is it protects the structure of your workbook. So what do I mean by that? For example, if you send a workbook to someone, you might have hidden a worksheet you don't want them to see. Let's say I hide sheet number 2 there. But here, what that person can do is can right click and say unhide and be able to access your worksheet. So if it has some confidential things or things you don't want people to see, then just hiding it is not good enough. So you have two options. One which I recommend is you do the move or copy and move it without creating a copy so that you don't send it with the rest of the workbook. But if you still want it to be there because it's being referenced by some of the formulas within your workbook, you might just hide it and do one extra step, which is to protect your workbook. So once you protect your workbook, no one will be able to add a new worksheet or delete a worksheet. So let's just go ahead and protect our workbook. To protect it, you go to under review here. You can see I was already under review tab. So you go to review tab and go to protect workbook here. Then here it asks you for a password. Then here I'm just going to put a simple password, 123, to just make things simple. And it asks me if I want to protect the structure of my workbook. Yes, I want to protect the structure. That's why I'm putting the protection. Then I say, okay. Then it asks me to, again, confirm my password. So if I put a different one, for example, let me put 1234, it will tell me that the confirmation password is not identical to my initial one. Then I can choose to change this one, or I can just say this one, I remember it was 123, and I say, okay. Then I put 123, then I say, okay. Then it gives me, it says now it's all done. So if I try to, for example, unhide, you can see it's grayed out. And if I try to add a worksheet, it's also grayed out. I can't add a new worksheet. And also to delete, I can't delete, it's also grayed out. And I can't even rename my workbook. It tells me that your workbook is protected and cannot be changed. But not here, even though my workbook is protected, I can still edit it. So I can still type, I type my name here, and I can delete some of the things here. So I can do everything else, but I can't change the structure of my workbook. So this is how you can protect your workbook. All right, thank you, bye-bye.